So working on another job here, and going to show you the difference between a non-lubricated sanding process, which is required for some guys that are doing this. It's a good idea for guys doing the really heavy varnish jobs. So you can see that this is heavy varnish. Can't get this stuff off unless you use a lubricant, which this stuff here, this is in a generic bottle, but this is actually WD-40 or some penetrating lubricant. Spray this on the floor, which you can see I've already sprayed some of this here. And if you don't use that, which I've used it on the edger, didn't use it on the edger, and you can see I did this wall, that wall, this wall here, that wall there, and right across here. Look how many sheets I used without lubricant. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sheets. Yeah, look at this. This is terrible. Non-lubricated, right? Okay, come over to the drum sander. I've done all this here already with lubricant. Take a look at this paper. This thing has still got, other than hitting a couple staples in the floor, this thing has still got some mileage to go. It keeps hitting the stuff with the lubricant. It's just a small amount. You can see there's just a little bit there on my fingers. Never want to spray it right on the bare floor because it will penetrate. So yeah, just throw a little bit on the drum here, right here. If you want, spray the floor a little bit, just like I'm doing. Spritz it down. Just lightly. Don't go crazy on it because this stuff will penetrate in the wood if you go too crazy. Anyway, do a live video here. And we're going to set the camera down right here. Right there. Turn the vacuum on. yep, there you go. Check out the paper, see what it looks like. Yeah, she's getting the end of her life there. But look at that. It's still not plugging up. It's wore out though. It's definitely wore out from hitting some staples, but that usually doesn't cause it to plug up. So I should be able to do the rest of this with another sheet. Otherwise, it would probably take you, be going through like 6 or 7 sheets of drum paper on the big sander. Some heavy stains here too in the floor. Some deep cut marks. Somebody took a utility knife to the floor. Anyway, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. I got quite a few of them on floor. At least 120, over 100 videos related to floors. So, yep. All right, happy Saturday, everybody.